friends! Today we are going to make vane. Vane shows the version of this movie. My name is Hridhaan. I am in 2nd grade. If you like my video, please subscribe and share and like it. Now let's start making our vane. So here I am using our own recyclable things. So we have a cardboard here. We have a cotton stab here, and we have a broken plastic pencil and a marker cap and a tape and glue guns and cardboard. So we have these things. So please be safe with glue gun. So first we are going to put glue in this. So we are done here. Okay, so we are done. After that, we are going to get this. See? So after that, now we are going to make our. You can use a marker cap and put it in the pencil's cap. So now our half of the pot is cooled down. It's the glue dried. So now I'm going to take these cotton swabs. It got dried. So now we'll put this, and then we're going to do this. Woo! Wow! See how big it is. See how big it is. So yeah, we're done. So now we're going to do this. Wait. Oh no. So now we're done. After that, we're going to do this. Done. Now we are going to write, take some piece of paper, okay, and I am going to write the direction. Then N for north, S for south, E for E, V for W. Yeah, so now we're done. Subscribe and share and like it.